My name is Siddhanagowda. Being a resident from last 3 years in Providence Anwar, I am enjoying all the luxuries provided by the builder, and I am also doing a real estate consultancy for Providence Anwar apartment as well as all the Provident projects in Bangalore. If you want to buy any flats, you can contact me, and you can discuss with me before taking a final decision, so that I can give you best advice choosing the right flat in Provident group. Thank you.
As I explained to you, this is a Kengeri metro station. From here, how to reach to Providence Anwarth apartment. This is Mysore Express Highway, and you can go through this video, which will tell you the way, the roads, the quality of the roads. This is a metro station, metro going to Kengeri station. This is Kengeri metro station, which is newly constructed. From here, you can take a sharing auto to Providence Anwarth apartment, Provident Sundeck apartment, Rays of Dawn. Okay, this is the vegetable shops around nearby. You can collect from there and reach your home. There is one more vegetable shop over here. Okay, so after getting down from metro, you can take things to your home while going to your home. This is the newly constructed road, and this is nice road. Before Providence Anwarth apartment, you will get a nice road junction like this. We are going over the bridge. And this is the ground where normally we play cricket. This comes to Doddabele village. From here we will come to the junction over here. From this side will come from RR Medical College. These are all bakery shops, medical stores, and again bakery. And for your vehicle cleaning also, there is a car washing center here. And Blue Jay sites, plots. This is a temporary road connection until unless we complete the project of Provident. So this will be used as a temporary connection. And this road goes to even VBFC Palm Heaven. And this is how we enter Providence Anwarth apartment. As soon as we enter the gate, we have a security system, security over here, and automatic gate. We can enter the apartment, a clubhouse, skywalk. To reach to Provident, there is one more way from Rajarajeshwari Medical College. This is the new press highway, which is the construction is going very fast. Next to this, there is a metro lane, the last metro station on Kengeri route. Okay, so the DMRCL work is going on. So from here also, these are the supermarket, hotels. You can reach to Provident by this route also. All facilities are available now on this road. Cake shop, a lot of restaurants have been opened, and the new construction, new shopping mall is coming. And this is the newly constructed Rajarajeshwari Medical College area, and this is newly constructed road. This is a cricket ground. If your family member playing, any of you playing cricket, you can come and play cricket here. And see, that is the ground, you can see. And if you come this side, this is the engineering college, ACS Engineering College. And here one more builder is going to construct a big complex, big building over here, left side. And this right side will go to Good Earth. So there also there is Saint Benedict's School, Malar Good Earth. This road, this is a Provident Sales Office. Right side, if you take straight, you come on this road. This is a newly constructed road actually. It's a very good road constructed by Gram Panchayat. Now very soon this area will comes under BBMP. After that, lot of good facilities you people are going to get. So you can see the quality of the roads towards the apartment. You can see those apartments and the full green area. And from left side you will come from Kengeri to Provident. So right side we will take and we will go to Provident apartment. So in my other video I have explained coming from Kengeri metro station to Provident apartment. Now I am explaining from Rajarajeshwari Medical College to Provident apartments. There are two ways to reach to Provident: Sunworth, Sundeck and Rays of Dawn, all these apartments. So totally there are four phases. The construction is in full swing. You can see that. And it is Palm Heaven and the VBHC apartment left side. Right side we will enter the apartment. This is the main entrance gate, which is fully protected by a good security team. Automated gate. If you are resident, then only it will open, otherwise it will not open. There is a skywalk over here. Again, this is actually small city kind of project. Once you enter Provident, it's a Provident Sunworth phase 1 project. Here we have some flats where NRI people are invested. They want to do sales. Okay, so if you are looking for resale properties also, you can contact us. And there are total 15 buildings, and each building is having 12 floors. So each floor having 8 flats. So we have total 1440 flats in phase 1, which consists of 720 flats of 2 BHK and 720 flats of 3 BHK. So ground floor, and now we are going to basement, where there is a ample car parking facilities available. And right side if you see, there is a STP. Okay, so as per government order, STP, WTP, everything is available in this apartment. It's a huge complex and having a very good population. And right side it's a butterfly garden. In butterfly garden we have 2 nets. Those who loves cricket, they can come and do net practice over here. And nowadays there is a KPL player who comes and give the coaching for the kids here. So this is a cricket coaching place. From there, if we go towards the play area, this play area is tennis court. There are 2 tennis courts, and many residents are taking full advantage of the amenities given by the Provident Sunworth, Provident Group. It's a badminton court and basketball court. And if you see right side here, it's a kids play area. It's a kids play area. Parents can sit here and they can watch their kids playing over here. And it's a open car parking outside the building, and below it's a covered car parking. Now we'll go towards green lawn, where normally on 15th August and 26th Jan we do flag hosting. So all residents get gathered here for flag hosting. Now this one is a laughter court, you can say, and some people do yoga also over here. And it's a complete garden area, lot of trees, lot of garden lovers developed lot of good plants over here. This is the complete project, and normally if you come first time over here, you will feel like you are entering a Bangkok or Hong Kong kind of city. And this is the exit from phase 1. Now we'll move towards phase 2 area. Once you come to this circle, left side you will get 10 minute, where it's a supermarket where you can buy groceries, and flower shop, and Nandini Milk Center where you can buy Nandini milk. And now we are entering phase 2. This phase 2 and phase 1 both are constructed by L&T team, and they have ensured a good quality construction. And being a resident and owner of the plat, I have been very much satisfied over here from last 3 years. There were earlier some problems like seepage and all those things. All those problems have been solved by L&T construction, and the warranty given by them towards the builder, and they have ensured there is no seepage problem nowadays. And due to good quality borewell and all those things, we are not facing any water problem here. And we have total 8 borewells in phase 1 and phase 2 put together. This is a ample car parking area in basement, and I am taking you through the entire complex through this video, so that once you come here you can directly purchase the plat. You no need to visit each and every place, so that it will make your life easy instead of traveling, because if you take one trip for a complete round, it will take 5 kilometers. We conduct marathon and all those things over here. At that time, one round takes 5 kilometers. So if you want to do walking here, so one round will take care of your health. And you can see this area here. Again, in phase 2 we have a kids play area, and where senior citizen people can sit and discuss over here. Car parking area, well planned, good construction. And again, this area we have open gym kind of thing. Okay, so left side if you see the new construction of Equinox and Equinox is going on right now, and Provident. Totally we are coming with 5 projects. Now I am taking you to the temple. We have a small temple, Ganesha temple over here. Okay, so it's a complete site visit sitting at your home. It's a clubhouse. Inside we have gym, snooker, table tennis, carom, beauty parlor, clinic, ATM, swimming pool, marriage hall, everything. So you don't need to go outside. Here we get a vegetable vendor comes and supply vegetables here every day. And this is the complete project tour for you. So we have many plats for selling, and those who want to buy plat, they can buy here. Those who want to sell also, they can contact me. So this is skywalk over here. People can do walk